This is a drill video for Core English Level 3, Lesson 1. Drill Video 3. Multiple describing words. Listen to the first sentence, then repeat it with the describing words in the correct location. The sequence of the describing words doesn't matter. It is a house. It is a big, old wooden house. She is a woman. She is a kind and intelligent woman. That is a car. That is a small red, fast car. It was a winter. It was a long and cold winter. He is a man. He is a young, ambitious, confident man. She is a teacher. She is a calm and patient teacher. It is a city. It is a large, busy, modern city. He is a boy. He is a happy and funny boy. That is a building. That is a tall, modern, beautiful building. It is a dog. It is a small, brown, friendly dog. Good. Build the sentence step by step. Listen, and then repeat each variation of the sentence as it is spoken. It is a house. It is a big house. It is a big, old house. It is a big, old wooden house. It was a winter. It was a cold winter. It was a long and cold winter. It was a long, cold, dark winter. She is a teacher. She is a kind teacher. She is a kind and patient teacher. She is a kind, patient, experienced teacher. That is a city. That is a large city. That is a large and busy city. That is a large, busy, modern city. Very good. Review each of the 3 drills as necessary so you can do them all easily.